I repair e-bikes. And it looks like you might need a battery. Yes, brother. Good morning. It's your cable, this one.
Yeah, this one, the back one there. You see it just snap.
Yeah. Happy to get you riding. Brother, enjoy your day. Enjoy your Saturday. Yes, bro. Oh, mud. Mud.
You see like a dancing.
Oh, this one's got bolts.
Bless you, bless you.
Let's get to work. So I work local to here, bro. I do e-bike repairs.
You do Uber repairs?
E-bike repairs. I fix e-bikes.